welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete Bailey's underwater expedition prep in Heartopia. So you're just going to talk to Bailey and select the off-course birds section. Okay, and let's see what she needs from us. Okay, leave it to me. So she needs 5 quality timbers and 5 oars, which I already have in my inventory. So I'm going to talk to Bailey again, and I'm just going to give that to her. So select that for the oars, submit. And I think that's it. Super easy and quick for this one. Ooh, I really like the stamp as well. Thank you, Bailey. We have one more left, and I think that's for tomorrow. But that is it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.